Morning guys, I hope you have been well. So I'm gonna show you how I trade German theory during London session in this video. And this is what I want you to do when trading German theory. I only trade German theory and Nasdaq. So I only focus on two sessions, London session and NYC. So during London session I trade German theory, and during NYSE I trade Nasdaq. I'm a day trader, I don't do swing trade. So let's focus on this video. It's gonna be a short video, like for like 10 minutes. I don't like to make long videos. Okay, so let's get a clean chart, and then I'm gonna show you how to trade German theory. Okay, let's select this. Yeah. So we'll be only looking at high time frame, so that we know what to actually do when London session starts to kick in around like 10. In South African time, it only kicks in around 10 a.m. and the end of the London session is at 3 p.m. So we know the market has been bullish, and then we are actually looking for buys if the market is bullish. If the market is bearish, we're only looking for sells as well. So I'm gonna implement my strategy on the chart, and let's switch to 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's use this vertical line to separate the wicks. This is Monday, and then let's look for another week, previous week. Yes, so let's mark on our weekly high. From rest of last week, and then sorry guys, and then let's mark this low, and then let's come to this high for the previous week, and then mark the low for the previous week. So coming to this upcoming week, it's probably like it's going to be a new week, a new month as well. It's going to be an interesting week to the markets. Of course, there's these tariffs going on from the President of the United States of America, so that's why the market is trending crazy these days, and the price action, yo. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna talk like more about these levels that I marked on the upcoming videos. Why are they important as well? So if you are a day trader just like me, I'm a session trader. So okay, let's mark the opening candle. Alright here. Yes, and also I'm gonna teach you guys about this red line on the upcoming videos, but not in this video. So this video is about how to trade German theory during London session. German theory moves during London session. If you wanna catch those moves around like 150 pips and above, and then you should focus on German theory during London session. So we use the levels that the market makes during a day, also the importance of the Asia high and low. I don't know the algorithm behind the Asian high and lows, but there's a manipulation that is going on when the London session kicks in, and then it just takes both of these high and lows. So let's focus on that for now. All right, so coming into this week, okay, the market opened here, it gapped, it opened, and then we had this level. This is the high that they made on 13th of Feb on Thursday, and then this is the high they made on Friday, 14th of February. So the market broke above this level, a very important level, and then it just shot up, and then it closed on Monday. It made this high, and the market opened on Tuesday, and then it just dropped from there, and then filled this gap, and then just went up. Okay, it was a bit of a consolidation. And then the market rejected this level. This was a shooting star, and then the London session kicked in around 10 a.m. And then it was just a rejection candle, and then the market just dropped. Just dropped it there. Yeah. While the market dropped, it broke below this low that it made on Tuesday. The low for Tuesday, and then it left a gap. And remember, gaps are always filled, guys. Doesn't matter if it's going to be filled on the next day or the next other day, but it's going to be filled. You just have to be active on the market. So on Wednesday, we had a strong trend, and then the market broke below this level, and then it just around 3 p.m. yeah, during NYC, and then the market broke below and then retest and then sold off. And then on Thursday, the market retested this level, because remember, we had this level, and then we had this level, and then the market retested here as well. So you pay attention to this level. And we are only entering during London session. During London session. I just want to remove this. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. But I was just emphasizing about the levels that you should be on the lookout for. And these levels are made during a London session as well. So they tend to respect their levels they made on the previous days during London session. So this was a clear break or retest, and then the market dropped once again. So you would have caught that during London session. Yes, you see it's 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. Yeah, and the market just dropped it there. And then remember, there's something about Asian high and low. So if you see here we are Asian high, Asian low over here as well. So when the Asian session start to kick in, and then they respected their previous high they made on Monday, and then the market just dropped from there, because this was the level. Of course, there's money resting here, so the market had to take out that money, and then it started dropping as well. I am trying to see. Okay, This is also something that I want to try to explain. I'm trying to explain this. So this is the indicator for Asian high and low as well. So the market dropped to this level, dropped to these levels here. So if we are approaching London session and then the London session is about to kick in, and then eventually the market just spikes to one of the high or low, just know that that level is likely to be rejected and it's a fake out move. And then breakout traders, they thought like, okay, the market's gonna go up, it just broke this level, and then from there rejected, and then it just shot down. Even here, they thought like the market's gonna go down because they see this fake out, it's kind of huge, blah blah blah, let's just sell the market, and then they are stopped out once again because the market rejected the Asian lows as well, and then it just shot up because we were in a downtrend, and then the market had to test this low, this one. This is the low that I'm talking about, the low that was made on Wednesday. And then you could have caught this move. Around 260 pips as well. So each and every day that you are trading, pay attention to the pay attention to the Asian lows and highs of the day as well. So what do you wanna like do if like, let's say yesterday was like Monday and then today is Tuesday? The market will open on Tuesday, and then of course we have a new low, we have a new high for the week, and then you mark them. So when I wait for the market to reach one of these levels, and during a certain session, let's say London session, and then you will be trading German theta, of course, because German theta moves during London session, and then you want to wait for the market. Of course, the first move is a fake out. We all know that the first move is a fake out. The market will push to a level of which that level was made during London session, maybe on previous days, and then from there it's gonna reject that level because this level was a pink zone. This was made during London session, and then it's London session right now, and then the market rejected. From there it went up. It made another high from here. And also remember, when a market approaches let's say we are trading like during London session, and then there's a level that was made during London session, and it's near the price, it is likely to be respected that level. For instance, this level. This was on Thursday around 11 a.m. and then this was on 14 February, Friday, around London session. You see, London session, and then this was well respected. And the market pushed to this level, and then from there it just dropped. So you would have caught this move as well if you know what you are actually looking for. 240 pips. 240 pips. But then on Wednesday, the market broke the strong candle that struck through this level, and then from there it was a retest, and then it just shot up. But the market didn't fill the gap, so the market is likely to come back to this level. Let's say on this coming week, it is likely to come to this level. And then from there the market just short down. We had a break and retest here. This was a strong candle that broke below this level that I was actually talking about. Something like this, and then retest, and then from there it just shot down to the low of the week, a very important level as well. So you would have just removed the emotions and then just hold this thing to the low of the week, and then you take your profit from there. You switch off the phone, enjoy your profits. And then the market, because this this level that was made on the weekly, is it? Yeah, on this is the weekly low. There's usually liquidity here resting there, so the market likes to be attracted there, and then from there it's gonna reject and then go up. It won't just go up because the market hit the level and then you expect it to go up immediately. No, this was the first touch, and then this is the second touch, and then it just shot up during the London session, because these lows were made during London session, and then on the open of the London session on Friday, and then it rejected, and then it just went up. And then another level that I was actually talking about, they rejected this level, and then the market shot down because it left an imbalance here, so it had to balance this level. And then those guys that are ICT traders, smart man traders, they call this, if they actually saw it, and then the market just shot up. I had a live on Friday, I spoke about this gap, and then the market just came here, and then it went up from there. So this is how you can trade Geometry. Use previous days levels so that you can actually trade Geometry during London session. So this is actually how I trade London session, guys. Very easy. Very easy. If you know what you're actually looking for, and then you are all set. You are all set. If the market doesn't give you like a clear like price action or setup, you don't have to trade. Just wait, because some days are going to give you a clear structure. Then you can just execute the trades. So this was a very important level, and this was a very important level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if the market breaks, if there's a strong candle that is going to break this, we are only looking for a retest, and then we're gonna buy to this level, something like this. Definitely. So this is gonna be 250 pips approximately. So let's just wait. The market is gonna open tomorrow. It's Sunday, guys. What's the time now? 7 a.m. in the morning. So let's just wait. This is 50% of my strategy. Of course, before I enter trade, I look at the price, I look at the time as well, and I have like 2 certain price action that I actually look for before I enter for a trade. Even if like they will drop the market to this level, I will actually like look for a buy, because this is a very important level as well. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video, guys. I hope you learned something. If there's something that you don't understand, just comment into the comment section, and then I will reply so that you can understand where you don't understand. So yeah, guys.